The Ferrari Scuderia Spider 16M is a rare, open-top variant of the iconic Ferrari 430 Scuderia, built to commemorate Ferrari's 16th Formula One Constructors' World Championship title in 2008. With only 499 units produced, the 16M blends hardcore performance with the visceral thrill of top-down driving, making it one of the most sought-after Ferrari convertibles of the modern era. At the front, the 16M exudes Ferrari's classic racing DNA. The nose is low and sharply sculpted for maximum aerodynamic efficiency. It features a large central intake flanked by two side vents, channeling air into the radiators to keep the engine cool during high-performance driving. The front splitter is made from lightweight carbon fiber, reducing lift and giving the front end extra bite on the road. Signature bi-xenon headlamps are sleek and swept back, giving the car a focused, predator-like stare. The Ferrari shield sits proudly on the hood, and the Scuderia's famous racing stripe, usually in silver or Italian tricolor, adds a nod to its motorsport roots. The rear is perhaps the most distinctive view of the 16M. Dominated by a carbon fiber diffuser and twin tailpipes integrated into the bumper, it's built for both style and speed. Above that, you'll find LED taillights and the signature F430 style rear grille, also finished in carbon fiber, which helps extract hot air from the engine bay. The Spider-specific roll hoops are seamlessly blended into the rear deck, sitting just behind the seats, giving the car a proper track-ready silhouette even with the top down. The black mesh engine cover offers a peek at the powerhouse beneath, adding to its exotic allure. Inside the 16M, luxury takes a back seat to performance. The cabin is minimalist and motorsport-inspired, featuring lightweight carbon fiber racing seats wrapped in Alcantara or leather, depending on spec. The floor is bare aluminum, with drilled metal pedals and no carpets to keep weight down. The dashboard is dominated by carbon fiber trim, with a small digital screen offering telemetry-like readouts. The steering wheel is straight from the F1 playbook, flat-bottomed with LED shift lights and the famous Manettino dial, allowing the driver to adjust traction control and other dynamic systems on the fly. There's no infotainment system, and creature comforts are minimal. It's all about focus, feedback, and raw mechanical connection. Under the rear engine lid sits a 4.3-liter naturally aspirated V8, producing 503 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and 470 Nm of torque. It's the same engine as in the F430 Scuderia but tuned to deliver breathtaking responsiveness and a shrieking redline. Mated to Ferrari's 6-speed automated manual gearbox, F1 Superfast 2, gear changes are executed in just 60 milliseconds, blisteringly quick, even by today's standards. The car rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds, with a top speed of 196 miles per hour, 315 kilometers per hour. The exhaust note is pure Italian theater, raw, loud, and high-pitched, especially with the roof down. Ferrari tweaked the 16M's exhaust system for even more dramatic sound than the coupe version. Weight was a key focus. The Scuderia 16M is 176 pounds, 80 kilograms, lighter than the F430 Spider thanks to carbon fiber parts, a simplified interior, and a lightweight soft-top mechanism. The Ferrari Scuderia Spider 16M is a rare, road-legal track monster that delivers unfiltered driving exhilaration. From its aggressive carbon-clad front to the lightweight, no-nonsense interior and howling V8 under the hood, it's a tribute to Ferrari's racing heritage. More than just a convertible, it's a celebration of speed, sound, and Italian passion.
Welcome to my YouTube channel.